Hello, everyone. If you are new, I'm so happy that you found this channel. I hope you will like the results and would like to stay with me. But if you are my returning viewer on this channel, a very warm welcome to you. As you know, I have been doing a Dutch pour series with dark base and accent design with gold, copper, and other metallic colors. Today, I plan to add a twist, and it will be totally different pour. Let me know, what did you think about this piece in the end? I'll add the description. So don't worry about the paint. I am not going to extend the video by explaining the paints here because I have been using the same paints in my previous video as well. But I will provide description of all the paints that I will be using today in the description. So today's piece is inspired by another YouTube artist, Sherman Khan. But this is my very first time using this technique, so wish me luck. Now I'll let you enjoy the video. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. But before going, if you like today's video or today's art, please consider liking and subscribing to this young channel. It gives a lot of inspiration to create more content like this. So here's the final piece. I hope you liked it as much as I liked making it. In the end, I can't say it enough, but thank you very much for giving me your time. And please support this channel by liking and subscribing to it. And thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.